Hi, it's Diana. Welcome back to Renegade 88. We have our awesome supercharger all set up, but the Holly 600 isn't doing much. So we're going bigger. We wanted to try a whole different brand and system, so this is the FST 750 CFM mechanical secondary carb. And guess what I came with? Y'all know my rage. Stickers! Glorious stickers! Sadly, it's only one, but it's okay. Giant sticker. Besides the awesome sticker, it comes with your instructions, which I think is super great. There's a spec sheet on it. And then your glorious gaskets. On the downside of this beautiful thing, there is no stud or wing nut. And also, it doesn't come with the throttle linkage adapter. You're gonna need to order a Holly style adapter kit, either from Holly, Summit, or whomever you usually use for your parts. You're gonna have to order a dual feed fuel line with a 9¼ inch spread between the fuel ports. From all that aside, let's go ahead and see what she looks like. Forgive me, this might take a while. Oh, look at her, guys. Isn't she beautiful? Look, there's pink on it.
Aside from your normal setup, you have your clear sight glasses for your float adjustments. It also has true 4-corner fuel mixture screws. A lovely electric choke. It also has dual accelerator pump adjusters.
Yeah.
Underneath, you have your brake booster vacuum, your meter vacuum, and your full manifold vacuum.
Can you see the pink?
Isn't that beautiful?
Look at that. There's even pink on the screws.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah. It's still in full review, coming soon. Make sure to subscribe and like, hit that beautiful notification button, and look forward to this beauty. See y'all again soon.